So welcome Kangundi Personal Loan Queries YouTube channel. Yeah, today the topic is personal loan life cycle. So exactly what happens once customer applies personal loans in any bank sector. Exactly from step by step, I'm going to explain to you. So let's go.
This is the picture of the personal life cycle. So let's move. The first step is no documents and submission. Here documents means no have to consider like an Aadhaar card and PAN card, a photo, pay slips, and a bank statement. So these documents depends upon their bank policy. So they will ask you like that. If you come to the picture of the second step, verification call from bank and CIBIL checking. Here, after submission of the all the documents, they will check and CIBIL score and they will make you call. Like sir, what's your expectation? So, why you taking personal loan? This amount, like this is a normal question. What is total experience? Where are you working? So, number of dependent, present address and permanent address, present a working area, client location, or payroll company. So these are the normal questions they will ask you from their side. If okay, that get and this information and CIBIL checking also. If we get CIBIL and everything is good, the file will be moved to third step, host verification and office verification. Here the customer whatever the given information like a present address and office address, this will be verified from the backend team. If bank will get in a positive, the file will be moved to fourth step recommended. If verification get negative, again will bank raise a notification to customer. Sir, this is the reason we got a negative report. If you kindly provide the present exact address and time and date. So we will rise to verification again. If customer is given such information to backend team, again they will make a verification. If you get a verification negative, then the file will be rejected until customer doesn't give any information to bank. If once customer get a verification from positive from backend team, the file will be moved to recommended. Simply we can say in recommended step what happens means as per customer expectations and as per is CIBIL and eligibility based, bank will give one quotation like simple. So this much amount you will get, loan amount and tenure and interest rate. If customer says okay, I'm with okay this no interest rate and eligibility, loan amount and tenure, the file will be moved to approval. In approval what happens means exact whatever the discussion happened with the bank team and customer, will be an agreement in the form of agreement as per their bank policy. If sometimes maybe they'll send a link also, so it depends on the bank policy. We can't say exact it's a hard copy, it's soft copy. Means if customer says okay with either soft copy in the name of hard copy signature, then file will be moved. Last but not least step, disbursement. It means amount will be credited to customer account. So this is the total personal loan life cycle. I hope it would be little bit help to know all of you, because every person may not have this much of information about the personal life cycle.
Thanks for watching. If you like this explanation, please like and share, subscribe for this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll catch you later. This is your Shaker.